Hi guys! I'm just Tapas making a star, right? And this is all my cards. It's so madami. Yes, my friend gave me it.
I'm definitely upgrading this man.
Don't ring.
Whoa! 300, 400, 4,000 damage?
Do you have kaganitong cards, ha? Tingnan mo.
Ano?
Naka-video ako.
Ano ba?
Do you have
Ito na cards.
sucks to you? So, I'm gonna show you how much is my card. I didn't even bilang it.
It's not valuable.
So,
Wala kang pake.
I'm gonna count this or later
Tapos good na.
or tomorrow. I'm gonna count it now. Oh, I remember how much is this. It's 75, 77, 78, 17, 78, 76, 77. Okay, I'm gonna 77. I know. I have 77 cards. Kasi I bilang it before and I know. And ano. I bilang it before. Yeah, when I'm not here. Hindi ako you know why I don't even YouTube when I have a shirt here? Because I vacation to Bulacan. Yes. So, this is my collection. And then, you know where I'm gonna put this? Look at that. I don't know where I'm gonna put this, but let's go part 2. Part 2. Yeah. So, because it's 2:50.